What up, Smart Rapper gang? Woo, big news, as I've already told you guys, Thursdays now, every Thursday at 6 p.m. PST, okay, Pacific Standard Time, that's LA, Los Angeles time, okay, that means 9 p.m. If you're in New York, and if you're in the Midwest, it's 8 p.m. Every Thursday, I'm now live streaming to YouNow. Okay, and so as you guys get on there, I'm gonna be able to, review your music. You can ask me questions. We're also gonna hang out. We're gonna figure stuff out. I think I'm gonna start doing live rap battles. I'm thinking I'm gonna have beat makers, producers. For any of you people that watch Smart Rapper who are producers, I'm gonna let you potentially get on. I'm gonna figure it out. We're working this out over time because I'm gonna do this every week. Let you guys get on and display your new beats. Right, so you play your new beats on the channel. Maybe I'll let 3 new beat makers a week get on and be like, hey, here, check out this new beat. This way rappers can go check your stuff out after the show. I mean, we're gonna use this to expand and help everybody, okay? This is really great. So every Thursday, 6 p.m. PST, there's no longer going to be a Thursday video on Smart Rapper. It's going to be the live stream. So it's a video anyways, because I'm gonna help you guys I'm gonna help promote you guys. I'm gonna take the content from these live streams and turn them into additional content that I'll be able to put on Smart Rapper if somebody asks a certain question, or maybe compilation videos. We're gonna figure it out. We're gonna work this out. This is a great learning chance for you guys to see, how you can start with something. I'm not fully sure how this is gonna go about or how I'm gonna use everything here, but you need to start before you're ready. Like, I'm not ready. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Let's see what happens. Let's see how this goes, right? And that's the way. That's an approach that you can take to everything in life. Because now I'm not really ready, but I'm just jumping in, right? And because of that, I'm gonna learn as I go, and that's really isn't that how life is anyways? You know what I'm saying? Every Thursday from here on out. So let's do this. So if you don't have the app yet, I'm gonna put a link below, and it actually helps us. So please go ahead and use that link and download the YouNow app. You can stream and watch me from the app. Just type in Rob Level after you get it. It's super easy. Plus, it helps us. The more people who download the app through that link that I give is specifically for me, the more that YouNow is going to help us, because they can see, okay, he's pushing people to YouNow, and they're going to help me get on the front page, stay on the front page, and grow, right? They're also going to let me take over their Instagram channel for a day here very soon, which is cool, because they have like 160,000, 180,000 followers. I'm going to be able to promote Smart Rapper as well as, the YouNow streams every single Thursday. I'm excited. This is all really cool. So again, Thursdays, every Thursday, 6 p.m. PST. There's no longer a Thursday video, but the video is a live stream, and the live stream takes way more effort. We're going to turn it into a game show. We're going to turn it into rap battles, people freestyling, people getting their music heard, and also really overall, let's not forget, it's a live stream, so you just get to hang out. If you just want to chill, talk, have other rappers to talk to, this is going to be really, really cool. So I'm going to see you guys today, later on today, on that live stream, okay? I will see you guys then. I really appreciate it. Of course, still there's gonna be new videos every other day of the week, so don't you worry. All right, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. I don't know, I'm gonna see you guys tonight for us to have it. Okay, keep hustling. I better see you in there, okay? Don't forget, if you want to get your music heard by everybody, you need to be in that channel first, because the first people in there I know that are really about it and want to get their music heard and reviewed, and then we're gonna figure a system out. Maybe you guys freestyle against each other, maybe you guys battle each other, maybe you guys answer questions. Whoever answers the question right gets to get their music shown. I love this. This is gonna be fun. We're gonna work out the kinks, but it's gonna be great. I will see you guys later today, okay? Let's get it. 6 p.m. PST every Thursday. Don't forget it. Download the app. Unique link is below. Helps us out. Please download it. Thank you so much. I'll see you later, guys.